Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, in the last video we have seen that how you could create this simple dialog screen, and it has few of the list items. On tapping on each of the item, we have created this dialog builder. So we had a error in the last video which we were not able to fix that. Now I will show you. We were using the small braces here as a string interpolation, and now I have used the correct braces and now error has been gone. So if you save this, you can see on tap of each item you can see a nice material dialog having some details down below. So apart from this, I also need to display my theme data, how you could display that. So in your material dot you just have to go uh, okay, so here is the material app. So I will define my theme for my application for now. So we will use theme data. We will call it, let's say, my theme. Okay, so we'll create theme data object like that, and inside it will say we have a primary swatch color, and we will define it colors dot teal. And another theme we will define for the button color, and we will say again colors dot teal. So we won't have to define color again and again for every button. So there's another property, we will call it button theme, and for that we will use button theme data, and for that we will use text theme, and we will use button text theme dot, we will say primary. So we will say we will use this primary color for our button text theme. Now we will use this my theme down here inside material app. We will paste this, and now if you hit save, now you can see our buttons automatically adopt that particular theme that we just defined here. So this is the part 2 for that dialog builder that we have created, and you can see there is a nice dialog having an image on top, and we have detail of all the kittens down below. So stay tuned for next video. Thank you.